Welcome back to Carry Yarn, guys. This is Kat, your fearless leader. We're going to continue our Noob knitter series with the modified English method of knitting that pesky purl stitch. Say pesky purl 10 times fast and you'll get a cookie. Anyway, let's get started. Like that English method that I had taught you in a previous video, you're still going to hold that needle in your right hand. And you're still going to go into the front of the stitch where the stitch is in front of your right needle. You're not going in this way, because that way you'd be going in to knit. You're going into purl, so remember it's through the front with the yarn in the front. But instead of flinging it with your finger, remember we're going to put it in between the two fingers. We're going to go over the top around the tip of that needle. Woo! If I can hold my needles long enough. Go around, push down and pull it off. Okay, let's get some room here. You go in through the front with the yarn in the front. Take the yarn between your two fingers, wrap over, around and under, push down and pull it off. You're using the same motions that you did with the English, but rather than having it tensioned around your fingers, you're just holding it with these two fingers. Go up, over, around to the front, push down through that loop and off. Again, in through the front, around over to the front, push down through the loop and pull it off. One more time. In through the front with the yarn in the front, pick it up. Now notice, remember I said that you want to make sure that your stitches are close to the tips of your needles, so your yarn doesn't travel. Take that working yarn, the yarn attached to your ball, put it between these two fingers, go up, over, around to the front. Yeah, my yarn's splitting. There you go. Push down and pull it off. In through the front with the yarn in the front. Go up, make that X over that tip of that needle, bring it around to make that U. Push down through the stitch and pull it off. Again, in through the front with your yarn in the front, go up, over, around, make that U, push down through that stitch, and pull it off. In through the front with your yarn in the front, take that working yarn, go up, over, make that X, around to the front, push down through the stitch, and pull it off. You're still following the same motions of the English method, but you're tensioning the yarn with these two fingers. I hope that helps our arthritis sufferers. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and walking through the zoo looking at all the politician lookalikes. I hope you have a great day. Bye.